don't think that's what you think it is.
No way. Drive shafts.
Yep.
Let's clean them for what?
So AJ allegedly fixed the exhaust. We're gonna test it real quick.
There's a little bit of a leak still in the back by the muffler because we ran out of wire, but it's on the bottom part of the muffler. So.
It's pretty good. It still has that like tinny, like when we put that muffler on the Civic.
But it's back there?
Nate, is it all coming out back there?
Yeah.
He said yeah. I think now that it all comes out the back, it stinks up the shop faster.
It's a little quieter.
It's definitely way quieter sitting in here. Oh yeah, that is so much quieter in the car.
Yeah, that's
the ultimate test is, does it fume us out? Because that's what we were all crying about, is getting a migraine riding around in this thing.
Dude, it's pretty quiet now. It's got the little rasp, but it's like a quiet rasp. Like, people in their houses can't really hear it, but we can hear it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Before it was like,
I heard you, like, I could hear you coming down the street.
You gotta put it in a high gear and just fully mat it, because that was the test of if it clouds us out. I don't smell anything. Dude, I think you fixed it.
yeah, maybe.
Thing's matte, dude.
I'm getting a little
Oh, I smell, yup, there it is, on the D-cell.
It's definitely not as bad as it was. Like, it was way worse before. It's kind of still
You're
bad.
taking this thing on the highway?
Yeah. I wonder if I make the muffler all the way out the back, if it'll
Get rid of the smell.
yeah. 'Cause now it's still right on the wobble.
What is that?
What?
That like grinding sound. Is it the wheel bearing?
Well, the tires are just loud.
Oh.
I do not know.
It's definitely not bad like the ones that we've seen on freaking online where the fins are gone.
It literally just looked like a turbo bleed.
Look like a throwing star.
It was $30.
Yeah, 30 bucks.
Maybe like the heater core is clogged.
No, because then you wouldn't be bleeding. Your heat wouldn't work if the heater core was clogged. Yeah, look at that, dude. I feel like the heat management in these engines is just straight inefficient. So take your grill off. Right.
I told him to cut a D-Max out of the hood.
I think that's what I really need to do.
I don't know, dude.
Just cut it right there, dude.
I think he needs to take the grill off and put 2 fans and wire them backwards so they push. I think it'll be good.
Oh.
Feel it right here.
And they have to push. What are you doing?
Putting a gasket on.
Oh my god, Nate, dude.
I'm having a bad day.
Oh, hush.
Having a bad.
Dude, Nate, here, hold this. I gotta make sure which way that they're going, you know?
I think this is going, yeah.
Bottom,
What are you eating, dude?
Hot dogs.
Philly cheesesteak on a hot dog?
Smells pretty good.
No, just chili. Mustard, onion, and chili. You wanna lock it? It's a blue one.
What are they, all blue?
No.
Hold on, hold on.
So, you can just put it outside. Okay. Dude, holy
Nate.
shit, you're about to break the window.
Sorry, my bad.
see.
I like the look of this side.
Yeah.
It's got like a
drop.
It has like a western
has like a
kind of vibe to it.
Mountainy.
Yeah, it's like mountainous.
It looks like the Catskills. That's what the Catskill Mountains look like over here.
Oh, it's a nice rock right there. Oh, I hit my head on the edge of the window frame. Oh!
Shot from the chipmunk. The chipmunk. Watch out, miss! Went over it, the tire soaked the curb, and then when it like expanded, it was like...
Dude, I can't focus on through this window. This just turned into a tutorial on how to fix your overheating XJ when you know the head gasket and the water pump are good.
Put fans on it. Big
Yes,
ones.
put
Big
a lot, no,
fans.
lot of small ones. 3 small ones. These are all eBay and or Amazon, and they are, I'm not gonna say cheap, but they're affordable.
They were just spinning.
I turned them off? Okay, yeah, so if you turn your AC on, they turn on.
Turn the AC on.
The increased load on the alternator is making the belt slip. If you turn them off, the belt stops squealing. Yeah. Did they turn off?
No, it's not. I think it's just the f***ing AC condenser.
Oh yeah, you're right, you're right.
I mean, no, those will still come on. Those should still come on like once it gets to like 210. 'Cause they're like it's like the secondary fan and AC fan.
Alright, back this thing out.
How's it going, bud? You. Yeah, we're good.
Dude, this is sick. Wow. Oh, shit.
It's pretty big, like inclines.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, the 1.6, like, oh, dude, I could feel the lack of actual, like, uphill power.
That wasn't bad at all.
That wasn't too bad, actually. Yeah, it felt
That
pretty,
wasn't bad
like,
at all.
smooth.
Oh, I thought you were matted. I thought it was bogging
No, dude, I
that
was
bad.
straight feathering it up that.
That's good.
Once you, if you get going at first, you're fine. But it's when you're like trying to get going up a hill, you're.
Dude,
This
these
is
ups and
sick.
downs are so sick.
He just avoided something in the center there. Oh no, he's pulling over.
Does he have rope? Does he have the chain method? You see that thing like dangling?
Yeah, I think it's just ganj. You could feel how soft that was. What the f is this?
That's like a fence, maybe.
It's like transformer.
Dude, this is like thick. Like the vegetation.
I hope I don't have to come back up.
Dude,
I
this
think
is
you do.
sick. I feel like this is like the most like safari vibe I've gotten so far.
Yeah, you'll be fine coming up this.
This is so dope.
Yeah, this is really cool.
Who would have thought all this was around here?
That's why there's so many herds around here, dude. It's like fishing spots. People don't share that.
This is f***ing mint, dude.
Yeah, this is really cool. This trail is pretty wide too.
The entrance is kind of overgrown a little bit.
Yeah.
It's nice though because it keeps it like hidden.
Yeah. Dude, it's just so funny. Like he lives for this, man.
But he's not like a straight hurt, dude.
You wouldn't even know. Like he,
Yeah.
like he just does it. All the shit
That
getting caught up
exhaust.
in the rack, probably.
Yeah, that was the right.
Oh,
Oh, God.
that was abrupt.
Yeah. Stop. Holy sh**, dude.
This is pretty gnarly.
I like this place.
Oh!
Right in the axle.
No, that was a body.
Rock.
This is so dope. Yeah, this is sick,
I
dude.
think this is cooler than the other place so far. IMO.
Pretty good. On that tree.
Oh, he made it.
Did he just use his wheel as like a rock slider?
I should be fine.
He literally used it to pivot him around it. Might do the same for you. What? He went right by it.
So far, my exhaust has been fine.
It's pretty good. It's quiet.
No, like for hitting.
Oh, like, yeah, I know what you mean.
Right over that thing. Dang, that is really covered.
What? This is so weird.
Wow, dude.
Whoa.
This is sick. This is sick.
Holy sh**.
Uh-oh, don't go in.
Yeah, don't go in.
Is he gonna back all the way out or keep sending it? Nope.
That's what he said. No.
Yeah.
This is quite the f***ing field. He just like, dude, he just like launched it. Thing was crab walking. Nate's on your right.
Oh!
Mirror. Oh.
Oh,
shit.
oh, that was wheel on the tree.
Yeah.
You gotta send it hard up this hill. Dude, that's bad. Kyle, you might have to get out, dude. Back up all the way to that tree, like back up the other way. Like, back up, I don't know, maybe you gotta just straight launch it and don't let off the ground. Yeah! You're almost there, dude. Oh, big rock. Real big rock. Real big rock. Oh, man, dude. Holy fuck. Holy. Yeah.
That's hilarious. Now it's Nate's turn.
Yeah, going up a little rougher.
Yeah. She made it, dude. Oh my god.
You gotta just get the momentum, dude. Yeah,
Let's take a look.
it's not just the AC fan. It's the AC fan. It's also like a secondary. All three of them going real nice.
Almost for a Jeep, 210.
Right in the middle. Right in the middle where it should. And then when it gets down, they should shut off.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Maybe the exhaust vent and it's against the drive shaft, he said.
Oh, that's bad. Oh. Dude, I don't think that's what you think it is.
No way. The drive shaft.
Yep. Dude, I think you. Do you think you lost the carrier bearing? Oh, dude, I feel it in the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah. Of course.
I think we might have lost the rear drive shaft.
Really?
Or a carrier bearing completely blew out. It's just not every rotation. It knocks real bad.
It looks fine. The drive shaft looks fine. The drive shaft looks fine.
That sounded like torture. It was like bang, bang, bang. That did not sound good.
Because it's like touching like
Oh yeah, I didn't know.
right where the drive shaft comes off the training. That last drop that I was reached on at the top of the hill, it must have pinched it.
Yeah.
The sink piping. What? Your sink piping exhaust, dude. There's no rigidity. Is it louder? Did it make it leak? No, it doesn't leak. It just hits the drive shaft.
What, the exhaust?
Yeah. Well, it's a metal drive shaft. You know what I mean? You're good. This guy, dude. You want me to park it on this rock? See, this is what you need. You need to look up overlanding supplies that you can buy.
Yeah, but how long have you been doing? How long have you had that Forester?
Me?
Yeah.
2 years?
So he has 2 years of like.
Well, I have a Cherokee. God, that's so big. Dude, it's so loud. It's so loud.
You think this will do it?
Nate was like, dude, listen to this.
I got that half-inch breaker.
Oh,
Want to pull up on like a rock?
Yeah, sure.
Got it? Yeah, there you go.
Rolls, cringe,
Yeah, drive a little bit. See.
Yeah, back it up, dude.
Drive up that, eh? I go up that in the friggin' YZ.
Man. Back on the road, dude. No more ping, 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 ping. Must be rough, dude. Holy. Holy shit. It's flying through that.
Dude, we're at like a 65-degree angle.
Yeah. Yeah, watch that center. You got there, so.
Dude, these hills are steep.
Holy shit.
Oh man, one little rock on that bike there.
This is steep, dude.
Yeah, it is. This is sick.
We're like looking down
Yeah.
the terrain.
I'm trying to like sit forward so I can look further down.
Oh, I heard Marcus spinning.
Are we go? So it just keeps going like around, and then the other side.
This is the only spot I don't really go straight down, but for the most part, you're just on there. I mean, it's still a little back and forth, but or you can go this way. This one's just a lot steeper.
Dude, that was steep as.
Oh, that one right there.
Yeah.
Which way are you going?
I'm just gonna follow him.
Yeah.
Because
I
he
mean,
said
you guys can both
You go around this, and then you just start going straight
pretty
down.
much go
after
where I
this,
can
right?
go. Yeah, because this comes out right on that corner. There's
Alright.
just one section. It's probably going to be all water still. Just stay on the tracks because I think it gets really soft on the sides.
Okay.
started to veer off earlier, so be careful. All right. We can pull you out though.
Fans are off, Nate. It's overheating. I gotta check the wires, make sure that they're pulled. There's a 40 amp fuse for that fan, so they should be fine. And I use a little bit of a thicker wire for them anyway, so should be good. It's a big rock. Get her going. Yep. Flexing it. He's got a lot of clearance. Did that even hit the rocker?
I think it did. Oh man.
Hey dude, it didn't hit the muffler. Nate's just gonna say, nah, I'm gonna avoid that. That would have crunched his door. Kinda, yeah. Oh man. Slippery
Yeah, it's
road.
real steep, dude.
Yep. I'm like stepping on like the sideways sticks.
Wow. It like splits there.
Because coming up it, I can go
I ain't making it up this.
on that side all the way up. This is what was giving me trouble last time. So I have to go up around. But going down,
Yeah, I'll go down.
you know, one side's a ramp and then you might just drop on this side.
Turn to the left just a little bit. Straight down.
No problem. As I hit my head on.
I would say stay to the left.
To the left?
Yeah. Because there's a rock in there and then you got to deal with these. You just keep your wheel right on this edge.
Oof. Was that diff? Oh yeah,
there's
that's
the
a
muffler.
huge rock.
There's the muffler.
This thing's got a decent amount of clearance, dude.
Oh yeah, it does.
Like, dude, I mean, I don't know what I dragged that rock on something, but
It's really loose.
I can't tell which way is straight on the steering wheel. I think my wheel was cut there.
Pull this window up.
That window up all the way. All of them up.
I like don't even want to stick my hand out the window because there's straight ganj water on the thing. Oh my god. Oh, blown out struts. Oh, blown out struts. Oh! Oh!
Jeez.
Bobble head, dude.
I've hit the mic on the roof and the like handle so many times now. I'm surprised it's not like destroyed. It's such a steep downhill that I literally can't see him.
Rock pad.
Get him on that berm.
Oh, it's not as bad as we thought.
Get him right on that berm.
It's clacking real bad on the driver's side, dude.
See that mark on his door? He's got a new pinstripe now. Tree got him nice. I'm about to go up there and see he's on. All right. Road is all the way
Nope.
No, it's
Spin
back.
180 degrees.
Fans are going on and off without the AC being on or off.
Without the AC being on or
Well,
off.
no, they go on with the AC.
Oh, is there another switch for the AC besides on and off?
Marcus, you need a ladder for that thing.
Car is the ladder.
I absolutely need light bars, dude.
Yeah.
I'm so hurt for light bars.
They look really good.
I'm straight freaking hurt, dude. We went to a new place with Marcus. He knows a lot of the trails around this area and far away and all that stuff because he said he had that Forester for 2 years, but he also had like Cherokees and all that stuff, I guess, before. So obviously he knows his way around places. So it's cool that, you know, we got him to show us some places, and he's a cool dude, and, you know, it's just a good time. But that's it for this video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Click the playlist in the description. Facebook, BS Gaming, Bad Species, P.O. Box, everything's in the description, guys. Go ahead and check that out. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.